All right, family, this is the end of the project for the electric toothbrush. Um, we've been working on this for a month, if not more. For this class, we're finished. What I want to give you is a sample of what we had to do to finish this project and what it looks like when it's done. This is what it looks like when it's finished. When we begin with the power, with the battery compartments on the inside. Right in that area there, we had to have a place for the product to hold the potential energy. We had to create these plates, these negative plates that's down in there. They're metal plates that pull the energy out of the battery. We then went and created and we tested those plates to make sure they worked by turning on the engine. We then created the switch. The switch is a slide plate switch. It slides to the left, and when the metal on the slide plate touches the metal in the corner of this hosel, it continues the electricity. Every time they finish an object, they got a signature. So that is our switch. We used our arm here. This is our arm to handle the oscillation. But I'm not going to go into all the details, but this is what it looks like when it is finished. That's the electric toothbrush. It has basically the geometric shape. It is a prototype, so it's larger so that we can understand functionality. This is what it looks like when it works. This is how it's supposed to look when it's on. Let me turn it around. That's oscillation. The first one, you have two brushes. This pin really should be behind it. And that's what causes the second movement. This is your first bristle. It would have just a little platform here for the bristle to extend off of. This metal clip would be behind it, so we could put the second bristle on right here. This bristle goes back and forward. The other one oscillates. And that's what that looks like. All right. This is not perfect, but this is a concept. This is their first time doing it, so that is really good. We had to wrap it. This structure is important because it protects the inside of the product. This is what it looks like from this angle. This is the really nice piece right here. This is their door. They have to design the door and execute the door. Two separate items. This is simple. This is a slide door. And all they did was create these grooves and have a piece of cardboard slide into it. The negative plate is on the back of this. That's the other plate right there that is on the battery. That slides on the back of it. This goes in like this. And slides down over the battery. Wonderful, wonderful project. The battery compartment, the students have to design that on their own. That's the only piece that they don't get instructions on how to do it. Excellent product. We're moving forward to start working on civil engineering next, which would be how do you build a home. Nice product. As you can see, there are signatures all over it, everywhere. Every step of the way, every piece had to be approved before you can go to the next step. And then it was uploaded